Okay, I'm gonna show you guys the easiest trick to train your dog, and it's nicely. Pretty much just how to take a treat nicely. So you're gonna put the treat in your hand like this, literally just so that they have to nibble it to be able to get to it nicely. And that's all that it is. Literally couldn't be an easier trick. Nicely. Good girl. This trick is really gonna come in handy when you're at Starbucks or at PetSmart or really just anywhere where someone wants to give your dog a treat. Nothing looks better than when they go to take it and they're just the sweetest nibbles.